Hello, welcome back to POGCHAMP, everyone's favourite zero-effort YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing up my Minecraft house. It's up the mountain, so it'll be a bit of a walk. It's my pond. You can see my shadows doing their things. So first of all, we're going to do a bit of a walk. We can admire the beautiful scenery, of course. It's a very nice house once we get up there. It'll be very cool. But first we got to walk up. Just ignore the snow. There snows a lot here. I'll just pile up in my inventory. I'll clear it out later. Okay, we're getting there. It's the second bridge. It's just up there. Ooh. It's a pretty cool house. I've got to admit, it is pretty cool. I've only just built it, so it's kind of empty, but I'd say it is pretty epic. Also got my new tools I just made because it's my survival world. So here it is. Pretty nice, got a bed. We'll leave it now, I kinda like it. What's that noise? It's got weird. Look at our window for viewing, ignore that, that's really bright. You can see out because I like snowy tigers, jungles are kinda cool. There's a bamboo jungle. Crafting, furnace, flower pot, and the cupboard. Strange noises are emanating from. What the bruh? How is this happening? Thanks for watching. Like, and subscribe.